Okay, so it's finally here. These batteries from battery hookup. Let's see what's inside of here. Okay. I bought 12 of these to test them to see how they would work, so I could use them to build something. I'm not sure what as yet, but more like a backup battery system or something like that. So here they are. Yep, these SPIMO 8HP. These are said to be 8 amp hours, 200 amp batteries. Let's see, I ordered 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's odd. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need to contact the guys at Battery Hookup and let them know I'm too short. I got 2 of these short, but these are some pretty decent batteries. They've gotten some pretty decent review, and I'll be doing a next video on capacity checking them, testing them, and also using these to make something. So yeah.